Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a like button to your Weebly website. This is a great way to boost engagement and allow visitors to interact with your content directly on your site. Let's get started. First, head over to Weebly.com and log in to your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Look at the left menu where you'll see the website option and click it. Under that, click Edit Site. This will show you all the websites you've created. Choose the website you want to edit. Then look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you to the editor page of your website where you can make all your design changes. Now, before we dive into adding the button directly to your site, we need to grab the embedded code for the like button. You can find this on likebtn.com. Just open a new tab and go to likebtn.com. Once you're there, click on Get Code. This will generate the embedded code that you need. Simply copy that code and keep it handy for the next steps. With the embedded code copied, let's head back to the editor page on Weebly. Make sure you're on the Build tab in the top menu. This is where you'll be working with all your site elements. Now focus on the left side menu and look for the embed code element. If you can't find it right away, just click Show All Elements to expand the menu and reveal all available options. Once you've located the embed code element, simply drag it into your website where you want the like button to appear. This could be anywhere on your page, whether it's near your content, at the bottom of a post, or in a sidebar. After you've placed the element, click on it and then click Edit Custom HTML. This will open a text box where you can paste the code you copied earlier. Just paste the embedded code into the text box and you're done. The like button will now appear on your Weebly site, allowing visitors to interact with your content by liking it. It's a simple addition that can make a big difference in how users engage with your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.